To optimize AWS Amplify S3 integration, start by understanding the basics of AWS Amplify and Amazon S3. AWS Amplify is a development platform that helps you build, deploy, and manage scalable mobile and web applications, while Amazon S3 is an object storage service that provides durable and highly available storage for data. The first step to optimizing AWS Amplify S3 integration is to set up an S3 bucket and configure it for use with Amplify. This involves creating a new S3 bucket, configuring the bucket policy to allow Amplify to access the bucket, and setting up the necessary IAM roles and permissions. Next, you need to install the AWS Amplify CLI and initialize a new Amplify project. This involves running the command amplify init and following the prompts to set up your project. Once your project is set up, you can add the S3 category to your project using the command amplify add storage. After adding the S3 category, you need to configure the S3 bucket to use with your Amplify project. This involves specifying the bucket name, region, and access level. You can do this by running the command amplify update storage and following the prompts to configure your S3 bucket. To optimize the performance of your S3 integration, make sure to use the correct storage class for your data. Amazon S3 provides several storage classes, including Standard EA, One Zone EA, and Glacier. Choose the storage class that best fits your needs based on factors such as data access frequency and retention period. Another important consideration is security. Make sure to configure the necessary permissions and access controls to ensure that your data is secure. This includes setting up bucket policies, IAM roles, and access control lists to control who can access your data and what actions they can perform. Best practices for optimizing AWS Amplify S3 integration include monitoring your S3 usage and optimizing your storage costs, using versioning to track changes to your data, and using lifecycle policies to manage the storage class and retention period of your data. By following these steps and best practices, you can optimize your AWS Amplify S3 integration and build scalable and secure applications that meet your needs. Remember to always monitor your usage and costs, and make adjustments as needed to ensure that your application is running efficiently and effectively.